Yes. Hello? Yes, I'm gonna show you how Obama your mama. Yes, I'm definitely gonna show you how to Obama your mama. Do you know that boy? No, no, no. Do you know the president of the United States? Like Obama, people's mamas? Do you? That is sick. That is sick. I never saw a man Obama someone's mama. I never saw it until I watched TV today and he was banging someone's mom. He's like, all day on the damn bed. I think 3 beds broke. 3 of them. I think 3 beds broke from him banging. I think he shitted himself too when he was banging them so hard. He was banging, and he broke 3 beds. 3 beds he broke. 3 of them. I never saw Obama